Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Google Chrome we are going to learn how to pin the bookmark in this toolbar. To pin that we need to click on Customize and Control Google Chrome. Go to Bookmark and List and I'm going to click on Show All Bookmarks. Now to pin this, here you can see pin to toolbar. Just click, it's going to pin it right here. I'm going to close this, but whenever you need to open the bookmarks, you just need to click here in this toolbar, bookmarks, and it's going to open all your bookmarks. So this is how we can pin, and also I can just click to unpin it, close it, so you cannot see it right here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you found this video helpful don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.